Thank you, Ramesh, for giving me a chance to speak. First of all, I would like to ask one question. Have you ever come across with someone who is at 35, 40? He was when you told something, we need to learn this new skill, we need to learn this particular thing, or we need to learn one method of doing the thing in a right way. And what is the common reply they do give us? I am at 20, I am at 35. I can't learn a lot of things. If you would have been told, if someone had been told when I was at 20, I would have learned faster. But now I'm 35, I can't learn the things. So we get to hear lot many times this answer, right? Good evening, friends and family of our readers. Today, I just want to recite one story of my personal life. When I was in my fourth year of graduation, I spent almost 7 months from almost every day. I was reading for 10 to 12 hours. I cut off from everything. I cut off from my family, friends, social media, everything. I completely devoted myself to prepare for post-graduation entrance exam. I for 7 long months. Then I cracked the exam. I got all India rank of sixth. But after getting into the post-graduation, I started my learning phase has got down because I was already prepared everything. I was already learned the post-graduation things while preparing for the exam. So I was feeling like nothing is I'm learning new. So my learning growth, my learning curve stay constant for some time. Then it got decreased. Then after that, I was like confused what to do, what not to do, what will be my future. I was just confused for 6 long months. After that, suddenly, uh, some memory enhancement course that got into my mind. In addition to that, I read one book that is called Limitless. In that, they have shared few techniques a few techniques of learning which can be adapted by everyone, each and everyone, since from a kid till age of 80, 90, the one who is in age of 80 to 90. Because learning is so easy if we follow 3M formula. That's what I'm going to share you. 3M formula constitutes, first one is mindset. What is the mindset we have in our mind to learn something new? Are we feeling like when we see something, are we feeling, is it difficult? Are we feeling, is it easy? Are we feeling exciting? Are we feeling like dejected? That is what our mindset. Are we feeling are we feeling learning is fixed? And are we feeling learning can be grow? Learning can be everything we can learn? This is what exactly the mindset is. And I will come in detail. Then second M, that is method. We all might be having some motivation or mindset. Suppose let's take one example, that is public speaking. We need to learn public speaking, but we feel like we have motivation to learn public speaking because we know someone we know someone political leader. He is giving great speech and he is winning like crazy. After listening to his speech, after seeing his presentation, after seeing his result, we feel like I want to be a great public speaker like him. But what we do, we will not get the right method, we will not go through right method, then we will stop learning, then we will feel this is not my cup of tea. So what we can do is, first one is more mindset. Do we have growth mindset, or do we have fixed mindset? That if we don't have fixed mindset, sorry, if we don't have growth mindset, we can acquire growth mindset by following certain techniques and by being with the people who are looking for growth each and every day, each and every minute. We can bring that mindset. And when it comes to method, do we have a right method? Are we following the right method? If we want to improve public speaking, are we following the right way? Do we have a mentor, or do we have the method to follow? Do we have Are we following the steps we need to be followed? We need to have all these things in our room before learning anything, something new. Suppose until and unless if we don't have a mentor, if we are not following the right method, we will feel like we will be following something wrong way, and ultimately we won't get the desired result. We will give up the things. This is not my cup of tea. I can't learn this, and I can just be a spectator. So it's crucial to follow the right method. And the third M is motivation. Suppose we have a growth mindset, and we have a mentor, and we have everything. We are following all the method. If we don't have motivation, we will just go to some like extent. Then we will just give up the things. This is not my cup of tea. I can't do this. So I don't want to do. Matlab, uh, I'm not seeing the clear future. That's why I'm just giving. So motivation is not something that is coming from someone else, or from someone is giving a speech or something like. It will be a just matter of second. Then the motivation will gone. So what is the method to gain the right motivation is, first we need to have a purpose. We need to have clear answer for why do I need to learn public speaking? Is it I need to show up to everyone, or after learning this skill I need to create a huge impact in the society? That gives the real motivation. If I have the real motivation, if I have a clear purpose of serving lakhs together people, then everything will be easy. You will not give any excuses, so you will be stronger than excuses if we have the right purpose in what we are learning. And having great purpose is not only gives the motivation. We need to have energy, physical energy to do the things, mental energy and emotional energy. Are we balancing our mental energy to learn something new? Are we balancing our emotional energy? Are we driven by emotions? Everything counts. Everything comes under motivation. These are all the things constitute the motivation. And another thing is, last thing, small simple steps. Are we taking small simple steps to learn something new? Are we, suppose if you want to learn public speaking, smallest thing what we can do is, we can search the club which are helping us to improve public speaking. Just we need to go there, that's it. We should not do anything, just going there and sitting there. That is the smallest thing we can do. If we do that, one day you can become a best orator in the world. That's for sure. If you practice for 5 to 10 years, then you can be the best orator in the world as well. So it all comes with the for acquiring motivation, we need to have clear purpose and energy. Are we balancing our energy? And small simple steps. This all three constitutes the this all three gives us real motivation that is never lasting. Even if you are alone, you will keep on going, you will keep on acquiring those skills. So that is the best thing. First we need to have a right mindset. Are we having a growth mindset or fixed mindset? And second, we need to have a right method. We need to follow the right method of acquiring new skill. We need to have mentor. Or are we balancing our focus? Are we balancing speed, acquiring the techniques? And also third one is motivation. Do we have clear purpose of what we are doing? That gives us the best best way to learn anything faster and absolutely in a short time. So after learning all these techniques, I feel like if I would have learned these techniques, I would have cracked my exam in just matter of 2 months. I could have saved 4 long months. I could have devoted in learning something new skill. So learning this skill, learning how to learn, learning is a power. Learning how to learn is superpower. Back to you, Ramesh. Thank you.